Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to fix a cracked phone screen, an easy guide. The cost of repairing a cracked phone screen varies significantly, depending on several key factors like your phone's specific make and model, the type of screen damage, and whether you choose a professional service or attempt a do-it-yourself fix. Understanding these variables can help you make an informed decision and manage your budget effectively. Opting for a do-it-yourself repair might seem appealing, potentially saving you anywhere from $25 to $75 on labor. However, this approach carries significant risks, including the possibility of causing more damage or voiding your phone's warranty entirely. Professional repair, on the other hand, guarantees the work is done correctly by trained technicians, often using genuine parts, and typically includes a service warranty for your peace of mind. When considering professional repair, you typically have two main options: official service centers or third-party shops. Official centers often use genuine parts directly from the manufacturer, which usually means higher costs, sometimes ranging from $200 to $500. Third-party shops can offer more budget-friendly solutions, potentially saving you $50 to $100, but it is important to verify their reputation and the quality of their replacement parts to avoid future issues. Repair costs vary significantly across different phone models. For instance, fixing a cracked screen on a premium smartphone, like recent models from popular brands, can range from $250 to $400. Mid-range phones often have screen repair costs between $125 and $250. Less common or very old models might have highly variable prices, depending on the availability and cost of specific replacement parts from suppliers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.